The magic question. The magic question is, what is a period power playbook 2.0? It's this formula. It's your happy formula. It's all these tools and resources so you can have a magnificent period every month. It helps you chart, write down, look at, understand your history of what's happening every month in your cycle. You document it, you go back and look at it, you look at your symptoms, you add seeds, you add food, you add exercises, you do the activities for each cycle phase, and you have a better period. This is the number one formula. I've been doing this for years now, and I've found my actual power in my business and my personal life, especially when I aligned the moon with this. But I understood what my cycle does to my body, what the moon does to my cycle. So once you incorporate all these things, you will start to live in your period power.